As an ophthalmologist, I'm often asked how we check children and infants for glasses. It's actually a very simple process called retinoscopy, which I'll attempt to explain in the next few minutes. Many of us are familiar with how adults are checked for glasses using a machine called a phoropter and a certain pattern of adjustments to determine what the clearest image may be, as depicted here. The phoropter is merely a box that holds a number of lenses that can be adjusted by switching the knobs for both cylindrical and spherical or astigmatic correction. The direction of astigmatism can be refined as well by minute adjustments. With retinoscopy, a device called a retinoscope, seen here, can be used to shine a very specific light beam into the eye. The reflection from the eye, very similar to the reflection one obtains when taking a photograph with a flash camera, can then be used to neutralize the light reflection and determine an appropriate prescription. For example, just as these three lenses essentially look the same, if, however, light is shown through them and we appreciate the reflection from the wall, it is obvious that each of the three lenses is doing something distinctly different. The top lens is diffusing light from a point, the middle lens is condensing light along a line, and the bottom lens was condensing light to a point. By picking the appropriate lenses, the light reflection can be neutralized so it goes through essentially like a plate glass window, as can be seen here. Similarly to this, retinoscopy can be used to determine the appropriate prescription for glasses. This is an example of an actual retinoscopy performed on a patient. You can see the line that's formed by the retinoscope and the reflection from the left eye. Momentarily, I will ask my assistant to click in the appropriate adjustment to neutralize the image for the appropriate prescription. They're going to click 6 times in this case until the image is neutralized as it was at the end, used similarly to the adjustments that were made with the phoropter or even with a trial frame. As you can see, it's a fairly straightforward procedure and provides excellent and very accurate results in children.